In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link directly to a specific slide in your Google Slides presentation. This is a handy trick for anyone wanting to streamline navigation within a presentation, or if you need to direct someone to an exact part of your presentation for collaboration or review. Let's get started by opening your Google Slides presentation. Once your slides are up and running, make your way to the slide you want to direct someone to. This is crucial because the link we're going to generate will pinpoint exactly this slide, allowing you to bypass all others when viewing. It's like a secret passage that grants direct access, ensuring no other slide interrupts the way. Now, as you're on the desired slide, take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. This sidebar showcases a neat list of all your slides, providing a clear overview. From this sidebar, click on the slide you're targeting. Clicking on this ensures your browser is fully focused on this specific part of your presentation. The next step is where the magic happens. Simply move up to your browser's address bar. Here, you'll see the URL, which now includes the specific information needed to point directly to your chosen slide. Copy this URL. A straightforward process, yet it holds the power to direct anyone straight to the intended slide with just a click. This URL, as it stands, can be shared. Any recipient who opens this link will land precisely on the slide you've specified. Remember, there's no need for them to manually navigate through each slide. It's an efficient shortcut and perfect for saving time for both you and the viewer. However, a crucial part of this process is ensuring that the recipient of your URL has the appropriate permissions to view your slide. You'll want to double-check this by clicking on the Share button often found in the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you have options to grant access. You can choose to share with anyone with the link or perhaps with specific people, if you wish to keep it a bit more private. This ensures that whether you're sharing within a small team or broadcasting it more widely, the right people have access. And that's all there is to it. These simple steps enable you to create a direct link to any specific slide, saving valuable time and minimizing unnecessary confusion. Now, you can seamlessly direct collaborators and viewers exactly where you want them to go, enhancing your efficiency and ensuring your message is communicated effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to bring even more polish and professionalism to your presentations. Until next time, happy presenting.